Welcome to Lively English. Today, we'll listen and learn some easy words. Our story is about Tina's garden. Listen carefully to learn about Tina's day.
Hi, I'm Tina. I want to tell you about my garden. I have a small garden where I grow flowers and vegetables. Today, I planted new seeds. I dug little holes in the soil and put the seeds in. Then I watered them. I also pulled out weeds so my plants can grow well. I love watching my garden change every day. Sometimes I see butterflies and bees visiting my flowers. In the garden, I have a special place to sit and read. It's peaceful and beautiful. I feel happy when I'm surrounded by my plants. Gardening teaches me to be patient and take care of living things. I can't wait to see my seeds grow into flowers and vegetables.
Now, let's learn some simple words from Tina's story. Seeds are small things that grow into plants. Soil is the top layer of the earth where plants grow. Weeds are unwanted plants that grow in the garden. Let's talk about what Tina does in her garden. This will improve your English. Remember, gardening is like learning. It takes time and care. See you next time for more stories. Goodbye!